If you're trying to figure out how to track affiliate and ad revenue automatically without wasting hours inside spreadsheets, you're in the right place. I've tested all the most popular platforms for this. And in this quick tutorial, I'll show you the fastest way to automate everything so you can finally see all your earnings in one place, accurately and effortlessly. And if you stick around, I'll show you how to get access to the exact software I'm using with an exclusive free trial just for viewers of this channel. So here's how it works. First, you need a tool that integrates directly with your affiliate networks and ad platforms, whether that's Amazon Associates, ShareASale, Impact, Google AdSense, Mediavine, or YouTube ads. The software will be pulls in that data automatically, so you never need to log in to each one again. Once you sign up for your free account, link is in the description, you'll connect each of your networks with just a few clicks. Most of the popular ones offer API keys or OAuth connections, and this software supports nearly all of them. After connecting your accounts, the dashboard gives you a full breakdown of your daily, weekly, and monthly revenue. You can filter by network, campaign, or even traffic source. Super useful if you're trying to see what's actually converting. No more guessing which blog post or video is driving the most revenue. You can also set up automated reports to hit your inbox every morning. I use this daily digest feature to get a snapshot of affiliate and ad revenue while I'm drinking coffee. No clicking around, no spreadsheets. And here's the part I really like. This software can even track estimated payouts and payment timelines. That way, you know not just what you've earned, but what's actually hitting your bank account and when. Total game changer if you're managing multiple income streams. For creators and marketers who want to go deeper, there's also a traffic and conversion integration so you can connect your Google Analytics or UTM data and get insights like revenue per visitor and EPC across all your content. And if you're working with a team or clients, the software offers shared access and exportable reports, great for transparency and professional reporting. So to recap, here's what we covered. You connect your affiliate and ad platforms once. The software automatically pulls all your revenue data in real time. You get customizable dashboards, scheduled reports, and payment tracking. And you can finally stop wasting time bouncing between platforms or guessing what's actually working. The key takeaway, tracking affiliate and ad revenue automatically isn't just a time saver. It's how you make better decisions and grow faster. If you're serious about this, you can't afford to guess. And don't forget, viewers of this channel get an exclusive free trial of the software we used today. It's linked below, and I highly recommend you give it a shot while it's still available. Thanks for watching. Now go automate that income.